Hello guys, today we are at Orangeville Drive Test Center. We are going to go to Orangeville G Test Route. They have three different routes now in Orangeville. We are going to go all these routes one by one. And after that, if you have any questions, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. Now let's go to Orangeville G Test Route number 2. You have to park somewhere here, like in the parking lot here, and then examiner tell you to take right, look around, anyone coming, no one is coming, take a right here, keep your car on the rightmost side here. So always look for the pedestrian, look for the cars, incoming cars. Some people are doing truck tests also. Sometimes they're they're parking their truck also here. So be careful about this. Just have a look on that. And the route number 1 and route number 2, both sides they will take you right from the next stop sign only. Route number 3, I will take you to the left side from this stop sign. And put the right indicator, mirror signal blind spot, take a right here, mirror signal blind spot, look on the right side here, complete stop. No matter what, stop here completely. Check, anyone coming? Yeah, no one coming. Yeah, everything is clear. I'll take a right here, and speed limit is 40 here. So look around, everywhere is good. We'll take a left on the first traffic light, mirror signal blind spot, take left here. It's 40 ends here and it's 80 on the highway. This after taking left turn, speed limit is 80. That's a highway 10. So let's wait for this light to turn to green. When you're standing at the intersection, don't keep on looking at the light. Look everywhere, look around, look for their light, look for the traffic. Check if any pedestrian can come to your way. Everything is clear. Yeah, nobody can come to my way when the light turn to green. Look back mirror, no one is behind me also. Everything is clear. Just don't keep on looking at the light. Yeah, wait for the light to turn to green. Just look around, scan the intersection, look far. Yeah, one cyclist is coming in the way. He may come in my way. Yeah, no, look like he is not going to come in my way. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Look everywhere, look around. So we should know what is going on the road. It's not like when we start we don't even know what can come in our way. Yeah, their light turned to yellow, so our light is going to turn to green. Yeah, there's green. Now scan quickly both sides. Everything is good. I'll take a left here. Go to the first lane, then speed up. Go to 70-80, then go fast 70-80 and mirror signal blind spot, and then change to right. Then the examiner will tell you again when it's safe to do so, change into left and come back to the right lane. Yeah, do that. Yeah. When it's safe to do so. When it's not safe, don't do it. Okay. Mirror signal blind spot is safe. I can change lane, change back to right. Mirror signal blind spot, change it to right. Examiner want to see the safety here. Mirror signal blind spot, change it to left. And then they will tell you take left on the first traffic light. Remember in route number 1 I took you to straight, and route number 2 they will take you left on this traffic light. This is the first street, they will take you left here. Yeah, so light is red, we can take stop here. Yeah, it's a turning signal for us. And take left, and the speed limit is 50 here, and it's a one lane here, and one lane will become a 2 lanes after that. Then mirror signal blind spot, come back to right lane automatically. For this one examiner won't tell you, you have to do by yourself only. So then examiner may tell you to third traffic light we will take left. So just listen what the examiner say. Look around, scan the intersection all the time. Don't just keep on looking at the traffic light only. Yeah, we should know, but when we start our car, who can come in our way. Yeah, light is green, we can go. Yeah, then examiner tell you change into left, mirror signal blind spot. Yeah, mirror signal blind spot, and then yeah, it's safe to do so, we can change into left. Yeah. And the next traffic light we will take left, that's a 5th Avenue, and be careful, this intersection enter lane is very small. Mirror signal blind spot, and enter from here. Yeah, and no one is coming, it's all clear, we can take left here. Yeah, it's again 40 here. And in the route number 1, for the next traffic light I took you to right, and in the route number 2 I'm going to take you to straight. Then we are going back again to the highway. Just check both sides, scan the intersection. Yeah, good, everything is clear. Yeah. Yeah, change it to right. And when the 2 lanes start, we have to, by default, like we have to come to the rightmost lane. Yeah, but speed limit is still 40 here. We'll take a right from the intersection, and that's the highway again. That's the 80 speed limit on the highway. We'll take a right from the first traffic light. Yeah, good. It's green, we can go. Check both sides quickly, and then go right here. And speed limit is 80 here. And then again, examiner will tell you when it's safe to do so, change into left and come back to the right lane. So first you go to 80 speed limit, and you know what, like try not to change in the middle of the intersection, right? Either way before the intersection or after the intersection. Don't change in the middle of the intersection. Mirror signal blind spot, change into left, and then change back to right. Mirror signal blind spot, change back to right. In the G test, there are going to be a lot of lane changings. Be ready for that. They want to see the safety, whether you can see the safety on the road or not. But next traffic light, we will take a right. There's a Broadway, and there's a yield sign there. Yeah, we take a right here. See anyone coming? Yeah, if anyone coming, we have to stop at the yield sign. Yield sign meaning is if anybody coming from any side in their way, you have to give them the way. Yeah, they are coming. We have to stop there now. Yeah, good. Yeah, we have to see the safety here. Yeah, they're still coming. Yeah, after this blue car, it's clear. I can change it to left. Yeah. And if it's highway merging, we don't have to stop, but it's a yield sign, we have to stop. Okay. Look around, look around. Yes, good, look around. Yeah. See, speed limit is 50 here. We're going straight, and when you see like far, this showing that this lane is turning to the right side, and for that examiner won't say you anything. So when you see that thing, you have to change it to left by yourself, because mirror signal blind spot, because we have to go straight only. So for this thing, if you're in that lane, you have to turn to the right side, but if you're going straight, you have to change lane by automatically. And speed limit is 50 here. First traffic light, we will take a right. That's the second street. Yeah, come to the rightmost lane, mirror signal blind spot, and then turn right from this light. It's a green light here. And It's again 40 speed limit, and we'll take a right here. It's called First Avenue. We'll take a right here. Speed limit is still 40 here. Next stop sign, they will tell you to take a left from the next stop sign. That stop sign, be careful. That's a two-way stop sign. Two-way stop sign means you have stop sign, other side have stop sign. Middle, they don't have stop sign. They will not stop. Middle traffic will not stop. You have to stop here completely. Complete stop. See anyone? Anyone coming from any side? No one. This is a two-way stop sign. There's a 40 speed limit here. Good. Look around. No one. Go. Speed limit is 40 here. Keep on looking around. Look for this intersection also. Yeah, everything is clear. Speed limit still 40 here. Look for all these driveway. You have to see everywhere. In the community area, make sure you see all these driveways. Anybody can come from any side. We'll take a right from this stop sign. Good. Take a right here. And then again examiner will tell you to take a right into the parking lot. Give the right indicator, look around, everything is clear. We'll take a right here. Yeah, keep on the rightmost side. You will see like some cars coming from the opposite side also, and they are taking drug tests here. So be careful about that one also. Right here, and then they will tell you to park anywhere on the right side. We'll park here. Let's park here. Then the examiner will tell you that congratulations, you meet the ministry standard today, and you pass. Go and get your license from inside, and go and get your license. And best of luck for your test. I hope you enjoy this video about the G Test route in Orangeville. If you still have any question, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965.